Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to explain how real-time bidding works. Ringba's programmatic call bidding technology gives businesses the ability to bid on live phone calls in real time. This technology is beneficial because it allows the buyer to deny calls when their call center has no capacity or when they already know that a potential customer is not a good fit for their products. Now, buyers can also bid more aggressively on callers that have a higher likelihood of converting or when they have a significant capacity available. Generally, this model results in higher payouts per phone call, a reduced number of dropped or abandoned calls, a better customer experience, and higher profit margins for everyone that's involved. Ringba's platform was built with flexibility in mind. Our real-time bidding technology can ingest data from your partners, landing pages, IVRs, or Ringba's optional instant caller profiles that appends hundreds of data points to the call. Ringba stores all of this data so it can be used as modifiers to help you decide if you want the call and calculate a bid before ever receiving the call. When a phone call does come in and enters Ringba's platform, Ringba pings all buyers, and no matter how big of a ping network you build and how many buyers you plug into it, we can automatically scale to handle that capacity. Buyers will return their bids for the call, and Ringba will automatically transfer the call to the winning bid, all in real time. Ringba's routing plans optimize your RTB as well, because if ping buyer number 1 doesn't answer the phone call, or the call is dropped, or there's a busy signal, we automatically process and route the call to a different buyer, whether they're a ping buyer or in a typical routing plan. Ringba makes real-time bidding easy and seamless to maximize the value of every call. If you're interested in learning more about Ringba's real-time bidding technology, send an email to sales@ringba.com to get connected with a Ringba product expert. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.